superior is wasted and I have no idea what to do.
I feel pretty.
Oh.
I'm so pretty. I feel pretty and witty and love. I'm sexy.
I love superior.
Sexy, sexy, sexy. You know, you should change your name to Sexy Sexy.
That's nice, superior. You really need to stop drinking.
Oh, but Max is mad at me.
That doesn't mean you should drink.
Mad at me.
What did you do?
I broke a squeaky toy.
Just buy him a new one.
I told him that he won't forgive me. So. I'm just
get him a present and he'll be fine.
I'm going
Ow. The things I do for this organization.
Would you like a hand?
Don't fall on me.
You sure you're alright? You're walking around funny too.
I'm fine. I'm a lot better than you are right now.
Mommy?
For the love of God.